Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to review a brand new website, that is mining688.com. So guys, I will provide the link of this beautiful platform in the description of the video so that you can go easily there and click on the link and able to see such type of interface. Okay. So guys, first of all I want to tell you how to set an account on this beautiful platform. For that you have to simple enter your mobile number. First of all you need to check your country code here like this. Okay, you can choose your country code, then you have to enter a mobile number. Okay, I'm giving a random number, not my exact number. Then click on the send verification code, and verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Then you have to feed here like this. Okay, this may be like this. Okay, then after that you have to enter a password here like this. Okay, you can enter you of your choice. Then you have to enter a fund transfer password. Then it should be some difficult like this, but you have to need to remember for a long time. Okay, then you have to enter simply 711. Okay, here may be different for you for your time like this. Okay, then click on the register button and you will successfully login. Okay, if you have already account like me, then click on the login button and enter the place. After the successful registration, you will see such type of announcement here. You can see the basic announcement account investment one. Investment permanent income can be obtained, and you can see there is 2.5% return only for the 40 days to back and invested capital. Okay, then simple click on the confirm button, and guys, you can click on the simple mine button. Then you can see here 1000 TRX for you free, but you have to try it on your risk. I'm not responsible anything else, but these 1000 TRX you cannot withdraw of them. Okay, they are only for the experience. So guys, try it on your risk. Okay guys, now I'll tell you how to deposit on this platform. So simply click on the deposit button and click on the transfer to basic account button. Okay, you can recharge by this simple QR and simple copy this address. So I'll copy this address, then you can remember like this: the minimum deposit 110 TRX, and please do not recharge complete other TRX, otherwise you will be in loss. Okay, then simple copy this and go to your wallet like this. Okay, then click on the send button and simple paste your address here like this. Okay, then click on the next button, then enter the amount here like this 10. Okay, or enter you may whatever you want, but try it on your risk. I'm not responsible anything here. Then click on this and enter your password here like this. Okay, then you can enter your password. Then after enter the password, then you have to click on the confirm button. Then it may take some seconds to complete your transaction. Then simple click on the done button, then copy this address so that I can show how to withdraw on this platform. Then click on this button, then you can simply click on the recharge completed, and then your recharge will be successfully completed. Then you can see here is something special for you. If you share with your friends and family like this, then you can get 10% at the level 1 and 5% at the level 5, level 2, and 2% at the level 3. Okay, but guys, try it on your risk. And here is some information about the investment, and you can see and learn about it. If you invest to 10 TRX to 990, then you can see something 2.5%, and you can also get 25%, but try it on your risk. Here will be 1001 TRX, you can see here. And here is some investment product for you like this. You can see the first investment product is like 40 for the 45 days loop and 10% interest and number of purchase, and you can click on the simple submit button. Okay, then the minimum starting amount and all these things will be here like this. Okay, and all these things will be here like this. Here will be the financial purchase, and here will be the purchase list of your. Okay, then you can see the financial purchase like this. Okay, then simply click on the home button, then click on the withdrawal button. Then you can see you can withdraw 2.5% of your investment amount. Then you can see like this. Okay, then simple you have to enter your address here and withdrawal amount here like 0.25. Okay, then click on this and enter your password here, then click on the submit button. Then not withdrawal time, then you can say you can see it's a time for that, and you can see the please follow the withdrawal and a specific time, and you can withdraw once in a day. So guys, try it on your risk. Some anything there. Then click on this back button and simple click on the share button.